Welcome back, Kia owners. And for those of you that have never been here before, welcome to my channel. While we have a moment here, don't forget to check out my other Kia DIY repair videos. Just click above on the right hand corner, it'll take you there. But before we get started, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and don't forget to hit that bell. Believe it or not, this really helps me to continue making these videos. Okay, today I'm going to be replacing my headlight on my passenger side. As you can see, I've got this foggy area here that I can't get out. It was damaged like this when I bought the car. So I finally got a headlight for it. I think I paid like 60 bucks for it on eBay. To replace this headlight, it's really simple. It only requires 3 tools: a 10mm socket, a 12mm socket, and a ratchet. That's all you need. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to remove these 2 10mm screws, right where the red arrows are pointed at. Okay, once we have those 2 screws removed, we've got another screw, and that's a 12mm screw. Go ahead and remove that screw. It's that screw right where I'm pointing at. Dang, I hate when that happens. Now that we removed the 3 screws, we can go ahead and remove the headlight. The headlight is snapped in, so all you have to do is pull up and forward. Once you've unsnapped it, go ahead and disconnect your wire harness. And there you go. See how easy that was to take out? Here is the 2 clips on the bottom where the light snaps into. And here's the bottom of the light. You can see the 2 clips that you need to snap in. Okay, now I'm going to go ahead and put my light and snap it back in. All I'm doing now is maneuver it in position to snap it in. There you go. Now we're ready to put our screws back in. Okay, now that we got the screws started, let's go ahead and screw these babies in. Okay, now we can go ahead and connect our wire harness. Just plug it right in. Now when plugging it in, don't worry, it only goes in one way. Just snap it in there and you call it good. Now you're all done. Well, I should say, if you bought a headlight with the bulb already in it, then you're done. Everything should come on as normal. But if you're like a cheapskate like me and bought the headlight without a bulb, then we have to take off our old bulb off our old headlight. So let's do that next. Okay, we're going to go in the back of our old light and we're going to look for a big black cap and we're going to unscrew it counterclockwise. Once it comes off, you're going to see the wire harness to the bulb. You're also going to turn that counterclockwise. Once it comes out, go ahead and press the gray tabs and unplug the bulb from the harness. Okay, now we're going to go to the headlight we installed and we're going to unscrew the black cap that we have on our new headlight. Go ahead and pull out the wire harness and plug the light bulb back in. Again, don't worry, it only goes in one way. Once you have it plugged in, go ahead and install the light bulb. Turn it clockwise to install. Put the black cap on, turn it clockwise to install, and you're good to go. Alright, go ahead and turn your lights on, make sure everything works. See how easy that was? Well, I made it just in time because it's starting to rain. Okay, well I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope it was very informative. Please check out my other how-to videos. Oh, and check out my new website. There's new items being put in there every day. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and of course, hit the bell. Until then, we'll see you at my next video. Bye!